along the road. Trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for
Welcome
sailoring.
to today's episode of As Jim Sees It. It's going to be short and sweet because I'm no longer enjoying making the how-to videos. I am going to keep them as simple as possible. So, what you're going to need for today's is mold-proof thin set, trowel, tile rocks on our table we made in the last video.
Subscribe.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Meditation for the day.
It's not in me anymore to do the how-to. It's not me. So, that's it. And so tired. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Are these going to be the bloopers? Yes. This is the blooper. Jim Sees It. We're going to be putting in the tiles on top of the table we installed last week on the back. On today's episode of As Jim Sees It, we're going to be putting in